Hello mga katiyanak! For today's video mga katiyanak ay pag-uusapan po natin kung ano o kung sino ang rumisbak sa atin na Miss Universe 2025. So ngayon po mga katiyanak, the echoes of Miss Universe 2024 still resonate, leaving us with a delightful hangover of excitement, pride. Chelsea Manalo, the Philippines representative, shone brightly, securing a well-deserved spot among the top 30 finalists. We celebrate her remarkable achievements and the journey and she undertook. But the spotlight doesn't fade. Alright. So right now, it's a simply shift, it's a focus and anticipation for Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is already palpable, igniting a wave of speculations and fervent rooting for the potential candidates. And the upcoming competitions promises to be a spectacular showcase of the Filipina beauty, poise, and intellect. Several names are already circulating among the beauty pageants enthusiasts and generating considerable buzz and excitement. These women, admired for their previous achievements and captivating personalities, are considered strong contenders for the coveted crown. Their individual's journey, filled with hard work, dedication, and personal growth, have garnered them a loyal follower eager to see them complete. Ikaw, sino ang bit mong rumisbak sa susunod na Miss Universe 2025? Alam niyo ba na may pinag-uusapan sa social media na cooking show raw yung kang Chelsea? Kasi pinapasok nila yung mga kandidata nila kasi sila yung may-ari ng organisasyon. So, ikaw, anong masasabi mo mga katiyanak? Para sa akin, ginawa ni Chelsea ang lahat para sa Pilipinas at para sa mga taong sumusuporta sa kanila. Oy, Ate Chelsea, manalo man o natalo ka man sa iyong ginagawa para sa Pilipinas, alam mo naman, maraming mga Pilipinong sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa iyo. Ikaw ay palaging panalo o manalo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ako na ito, si Chucky, ang tiyanak sa inyong dughan. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Chucky Rhino TV. Bye-bye. Thank you.